Okay, hello guys. Today is day 25 na ating push-up challenge. Ngayong araw na to, medyo marami ang ganap sa bahay. Kaya hindi tayo ganong nakapwesto. So it's around 10 PM nang sinimulan ko ang challenge na to. And as you can see, dito sa espasyo na meron kami, hindi kita yung ulo ko habang nagre-rest ako. But no matter what our situation, tulad ng lagi kong sinasabi, no give up. Hindi ito magiging excuse para mag-skip ako ng day. So even though I'm just a beginner sa vlogger and then bagong-bago lang ako, I'm not a perfect human being, but as much as I can, I will be a good example. Especially for those who believe in me. I may not be a good vlogger right now. Maring yung vlog ko ay hindi swak sa lahat ng manonood. But for those na katulad ko, na gustong ma-improve ang sarili, madisiplina, at maabot ng pagiging best version ng kanyang sarili. Welcome along dito sa maliit na vlog natin. Just like others, I also have ups and downs. And like I said sa mga nauna kong vlog, I was a very disciplined person. And makikita yun sa hubog ng katawan ko noon. You will see the confidence, the discipline, the pride, and strength na mapoportray ng body ko noon. But for some reasons, I almost lost it all. Because the worst thing na wag nating pababayaan is yung disiplina natin. When you lose discipline, everything will follow. So there might be a lot of distractions or maybe some obligations na meron ka sa buhay mo. But please have a good habit that will maintain your discipline. Because when you lose discipline, like I said, you will also lose everything you've gained. Because discipline is the main foundation of building your dreams. Many people will not believe in you, even those who are closest to you. But in spite all this, believe in yourself always. Do not listen to every negativities. Listen to your future self. Imagine yourself standing up there, already reach your goals, and telling you, if you give up, you won't be here. Their words don't count, but your actions will do. What you do right now will bring you one step closer towards your dreams. As what I'm doing, even though my space is limited, it won't stop me moving because each step counts.